subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will give you a basic intuition on naive Bayes model. This is a probabilistic based model, and this model is first applied on identifying spam and non-spam emails. So coming to this model, we'll take an example and understand how this naive Bayes model will work. Okay, the example dataset which we consider here is Amazon mobile dataset. We already done data cleaning and data pre-processing on this Amazon mobile dataset. Our assumption here is you have already know about this dataset. So please follow our playlist for better understanding of the subject. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So coming to our data set, we have taken 5 feedbacks. Out of these 5 feedbacks, we are having 2 negative feedbacks and 3 positive feedbacks. These 5 feedbacks are taken as training data set. Suppose a new mobile came into the market and a new customer has come in and he has given a new feedback on that new mobile. So now what our machine learning models has to do is this new feedback, this is our new feedback. So what our machine learning models has to do is they have to identify this feedback as a positive or negative. That's what the role of our machine learning models. So how our naive Bayes model will identify this as a positive or negative? Let's understand this with this example. So what our naive Bayes model will do is, based on the training data which it has considered, so based on the training data, it has to identify whether this feedback is positive or negative. What it will do here is, it will take all the words that present in this feedback. The words that present in this feedback are overall, like, the, mobile. It will identify the probability of occurrence of this word in positive feedbacks and probability of occurrence of these words in negative feedbacks. That's what our model will do. So what it will do is, it will take the words, so out of all the positive feedbacks, it will take all the positive feedbacks. Out of all the positive feedbacks, how many feedbacks is having the word overall? It will identify the probability. So let's identify the probability. Do we have overall in this word overall in this feedback? No. In this feedback? No. In this feedback? Yes. So the probability of the word overall in positive feedbacks is 1 by, out of how many we have? 3 feedbacks. Out of that we are having 1 feedback is having overall word, 1 by 3. The same way, identify the probability for like. How many feedbacks is having the word like? 1. And the second feedback 2. Out of 3 feedbacks we are having 2 feedbacks having the word like, 2 by 3. Next, the is having 1 by 3. In mobile, all the feedbacks is having the word mobile. That's why 3 by 3 means 1. So it will identify the probability of the words and it will multiply it. If you do the multiplication, I am not doing the multiplication here. Suppose, assume that if we have done the multiplication for all the probabilities, suppose we got the overall probability as 0.68. The same thing, repeat it on negative feedbacks also. Negative feedbacks means take the word overall. Out of all negative feedbacks, how many negative feedbacks we have? 2 negative feedbacks. Out of that, how many feedbacks is having the word overall? 1 feedback is having the word overall. 1 by 2. The same way, take the word like. Out of all these negative feedbacks, how many feedbacks is having the word like? No, 0 by 2. Next, the, 1 by 2. Next, mobile, 1 by 2. So intentionally we have taken this example to understand you this concept. So what our naive Bayes model will do? It will identify the probability and multiply them. When you multiply the probabilities, what will happen is, because we don't find one word, entire probability, if you multiply them, entire value will become 0. This is a problem in naive Bayes model. When we discuss the mathematics required for naive Bayes model, we will discuss the problem, how to overcome this problem. Okay. So for intentionally to understand this concept, we have taken this example. So our naive Bayes model calculated both the probabilities, positive and negative. What is the probability that occurred for positive feedback? 0.68. What is the probability occurred for negative feedback? 0. Which one is having the highest probability? Positive is having the highest probability. So our model consider it as positive feedback. Our model consider it as positive feedback. This is how our naive Bayes model works. Okay, hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.